Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hello guys, how you doing? Back with me again, Vorhesz. And today I'm gonna share some tips of how to ride a scooter at night, especially for beginners. Okay, first you need to make sure all your scooter lights or lamp are good. So it's include the main lamp, the high beam, low beam, then the turning lamp or turning lights, left and right, turning signal, and the back lights or the brake lights, brake lamp. Yeah, it's the same. You need to make sure all these lights are in a good condition and normally function. Challenge or difficulties when you're riding at night is the other vehicle lights. This always makes me distract when I ride the scooter at night. So when I see what in front, sometimes the other vehicle lights, it's get into my eyes and distract me like a couple of seconds. Tips for me, it's just look what in front of you. Just look what in front of you and pay attention to the road in front of you instead of looking at the other vehicle lights. It will distract you very bad. And it's not just from the vehicle that came towards you, it's also from the vehicle behind you through the mirror. So I usually a little bit like fix my mirror position so it won't turn the lights of vehicle behind me into my eyes. So a lot of distraction, really, just like this. After the rain, the roads is getting darker. It's probably difficult to see like if there is any hole or there is any thing in front of you, like people that want to come across, or just an animal want to cross. It's even harder. Also, I'm riding this time is using my glasses. I have a problem with my eyes. That's why I choose to use the helmet that have the clear mirror instead of the darker mirror. So it's very useful, the mirror, especially at night. Then the most important thing, you use your gears. Like this condition is the weather is getting cold. You need to use your jackets or long sleeve and your long pants and your shoes and your helmets. So that's the things I want to share you about how to ride a scooter at night. Hopefully that's give you insights. Hopefully it will help you, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.